So I'm back from France. It was a long travel home on Monday, and today it's an easy ride after another race that we did yesterday. It was about 130 kilometers, 1,600 meters of climbing. It was fairly hard in the sprints, but nevertheless it was quite fun. Today I'm recovering, but I've joined Vera from Namibia, and she is quite far up the road doing some sprints, and I hope there's no one else around to see me getting dropped by a lady today, but I'm recovering. So yesterday the race started off with a very slow neutral zone, and then the racing got underway. The brake went up the road. We didn't have anyone in there. Yeah, we were in trouble for that, but eventually it got caught, and then another brake of us went with about 25 of us, and we stayed away for the most of the race. Well, we didn't get caught in the end. I didn't get into that initial breakaway. I crossed over from the peloton with another guy. Yeah, I mean, there's a sprint finish. One rider got away earlier, so the guys were sprinting for the second, and it was a downhill leading up to the sprint. I just tried holding the wheels. I was pretty broken from crossing over to that break, but nevertheless we had two guys in that break in the end there, no position, but it was a good race. I'm a bit fatigued after the racing in France, otherwise it went all right. It's very humid, so I'm in a sweat a lot, even though it's an easy day. It's overcast. You're going to the beach, having some coffee. Yeah, just enjoying it a bit. You'll notice that this is a pass here, there at those beautiful dogs. It's not a big one, but it's a fairly hard climb coming from both sides. Probeer nog aanhou.
Oh my word.